Howdy everyone! Today I am launching my Patreon! Let me introduce myself. I'm Grace, you may know me as Zombie, and I'm a cosplayer from Austin, Texas. I make prop and costume making tutorials on YouTube and on Twitch. And in fact, right now I have over 150 videos that you can go check out right now that are totally free to get you started on your own prop and costume making journey. I've always been a geeky kid. When I was about 14 years old, I was planning to go to my first ever anime convention. And my mom actually approached me and was like, hey, do you know that people make costumes for these conventions? And I was like, no, but that sounds awesome. So she helped make me my first ever costume. She helped me sew it, pattern it, everything, and ever since I have just been completely hooked. Full-time job that helps support making cosplay and filming and making all this tutorial content every week. Every week I make a costume or a prop, I film all the progress, then I write a tutorial, I do a voiceover, and then I edit everything all by myself. It's a huge challenge, but I love it so much. I love paying it forward by sharing my knowledge with the cosplay community that I've been a part of for over 10 years now. When you join me on Patreon, you'll get behind the scenes progress, sneak peeks, tutorials, extra videos, blogs, and input on future projects. And when you support me on Patreon, you're helping me improve my tutorial videos with new tools, materials, equipment, and video quality. Even if you don't end up joining me here, I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. I wouldn't be able to do any of this without you. Patreon won't change how I regularly post. If anything, it will improve the quality of my content for everyone. I am so excited to start this journey with you. Let's make some awesome stuff together. I love you. Thank you. Bye.